What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're doing an unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing my newest mic. This is the DJI Mic 2. Now, the beautiful thing about this, as opposed to any other mic set, is that this is actually a single mic and transmitter. So basically, it's like the Hollyland that you see right here, where it's a mic and a transmitter. I don't need a receiver for this one. It all does it internally, and I can also record it directly to the DJI Osmo Action 4, which is the action camera that I have. I didn't want to buy another kind of wireless set when I've already got one. So when they came out with this, I immediately went and bought it. I got the black version because I just think the black with the kind of grayish looking Osmo Action is pretty dope. So what we're going to do, we're just going to unbox this. We're going to see what comes with this, and then we're going to do some test audio with this paired to the Action 4. So as you can see, it comes in this pre-packaged little thingy. So we're going to pop this open. It came with a bunch of reading material, but you know, it's pretty much all the same. If you open up one, they're all the same. So we're just going to open this up. So this is the carrying case that you get with the one transmitter. It's actually kind of a nice material. It's kind of looks very sturdy in terms of, you know, you spill stuff on it, it's not going to soak in and get to the material. It looks like pretty nice fabric. So you got a nice little zipper that you can simply just zip open. So we'll unzip this, and then we'll see what's in here. So you get some nice little pouches. Obviously, this can be for your charging cord. This is going to be probably for storing other stuff. Just a mic and the wind muff. So start with the cords first. So this charges via USB-C. So you simply just take your cord, as you can see, and you can simply just plug it in and charge it via USB-C through a power bank or through your available USB-C port on your computer. Now, I've learned that when it comes to USB-C cords, they're pretty much all the same. So if you lose this and you have an extra one, it should be perfectly fine. I've learned that over the years, buying excess cords can tend to be a lot more money versus just, you know, if you already got something, to simply just use that. So that's what you get, just a simple USB-C cord. And you got a little extra pocket right here for something. I have no idea what you put there. So this is the mic itself. Now, this is pretty small. Now, when you watch YouTube videos on this, it looks big compared to other mics like the Rode and the small rigs and the Ulanzis, and even the the Hollyland Lark Max, which is what I also have. So when you have them sitting side by side, this is my Hollyland, this is the DJI. This does the same thing as the DJI, but look at the small factor. Look how much smaller that is compared to my Hollyland. It is much smaller. It's crazy how when you look at a video and think that it's going to be kind of big, and then you see someone wearing it, it looks big. It's actually pretty small. So that's the mic in itself. And looks like you also get a wind muff, and I guess that is it. Okay, so that's it for this. So what I love about this is this comes with a little magnet, which is actually kind of cool. It's a pretty strong magnet because I'm really fighting to take it off now. So this is pretty cool. So this is a little magnet that you can use to clip onto your shirt. So I don't know when this started happening, but I think a lot of these wireless companies like Rode, Small Rig, and Ulanzi, they're starting to kind of come up with creative ways of kind of holding these. So for instance, like I said, on my Hollyland, there's a magnetic clip that I also have that I could put on this. So I'm gonna take off my mic really quick because I'm using it. So basically I am, and I apologize if the mic sounds a little bit further away. I have to get the microphone or the little mic thingy. So this is a little magnet that, again, just simply just attaches just like that. Same thing with the DJI. Now, I find, me as a solo content creator, I find this a much more creative way of doing this, because you don't have to worry about putting it on your shirt collar. You can literally just stick this on there under your shirt and then just magnetize it. I think that's actually a cool thing. I think more companies should actually do that because it makes it a much more easier style. It's much more versatile in what you can do with it. You can literally just simply just take it and attach it to pretty much anything metal, and then just attach your mic to it. And that is why I like that option. I just find it, so I'm just trying to put my mic back on. So I find it much easier when it comes to options. You're not kind of stuck with just the clip. That's nice. And like I said, you've the Rhodes do this, and pretty much all the other wireless microphones that I've seen have done this. Even my Hollyland Lark M1s do that also. So they don't really work well with the magnetic clip that I have that I'm using on the Hollyland, because the clip isn't magnetic or metallic like this is. But I think more companies should do this more often. It just makes it much easier for people to actually have an alternative way of wearing it without having to rely on a simple clip. Because if you're wearing a loose shirt or a shirt just in general, you know how things hanging on your collar, it will just fall. It can kind of hang, and it just tends to make it a lot more less cool looking in a sense, I suppose. So then this is just your wind mic. I'm just going to pop this off, and we'll see how this mounts. So looks pretty simple. Looks like it's pretty fluffy too. So looks like it just attaches to it. This just puts on it. So it looks like you just slide it on, and then that's it. Oh, okay, there you go. You got to push it down. So to put the wind muff on, you simply just push down and you hear a clip. Otherwise, that's actually kind of cool. Again, like I said, with the magnetic clip, you can simply just attach this through your shirt and on a wind muff, and that should be perfectly fine. But I rarely ever use wind muffs unless I'm outside and it's pretty windy. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to switch from my Sony ZV-10 to my DJI Action. I'm just going to pair this to this really quick, and then we're going to get audio from this through the DJI Osmo. So we are testing out the DJI Mic 2. Now, it is a little bit sunny out. I wasn't expecting it to be sunny. I thought it was going to be cloudy, so I don't have an ND filter for this. I do have it on custom settings, but I don't have my ND filter on. But it is a little bit windy out here, so you might catch a little bit of the wind. You may not. I don't know. But we're testing out the DJI Mic 2 now. This paired with the Osmo Action 4 is actually an amazing combo, because the mic itself is only $100. You can buy the DJI Osmo Action, the standalone, on its own for $300. So that in itself is about a $400 value. You've already got basically a camera and a mic setup, and it's wireless. So the DJI mic itself can also be used as a separate mic. But I just wanted to test out the audio quality. This is what you're going to get out, and I do believe I have the low cut on. I believe I don't have the wind muff on for this, but I do have the low cut on. I don't believe I have 32-bit float on, which I'll probably do in another video, but this is the audio quality you get directly from the Osmo Action 4 with the DJI Mic 2 paired to it. Again, very simple process. You saw in the video how easy it is to pair, and this is the audio quality you get out of it. Now, there's, like I said, a little bit of wind, but it's not too bad. I mean, it's not super windy out here, but this is the quality you get with this. So if you're looking for a really good combination of a camera and a mic set, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a great pair. So now we're going to go back home, and I'm going to finish up with my final thoughts on. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to pair my mic to the DJI Osmo. So you swipe down from the top, that little wing nut that is your settings button, you tap on that. You scroll all the way down to where it says not wireless connection, but wireless mics. You tap on that. Then you take your mic and you turn it on. It'll vibrate, and then it doesn't automatically recognize it like this. You actually have to press on the wireless microphone TX portion where you tap on the screen, and it says press and hold the button until the indicator turns solid blue. So that would be this button right there. You press it, and then this button should actually turn blue. And then you press and hold the linking button, which is next to it, this one right here. And then you wait till the indicator, as it says, links blue quickly. Now it says wireless mic is connected. As you can see, wireless mic connected, confirm. And then as you can see, as I'm talking, it's picking up the wireless. So now we are on my ZV-E10. Again, I'm gonna show you some of the cool settings that you can get. You can do this all directly from the Osmo Action 4. So again, to access this, you simply just swipe down, and again, you tap on the settings button, and then you scroll all the way down to where it says wireless mic, not wireless connection, but wireless mic. You simply tap on that, and then as you can see, it tells you the battery life of the mic and then how much hours you have. Now again, this is a transmitter and receiver in one. So you can record audio from this independently from the Osmo Action 4. And I believe you can sync the audio with the video later on in post if you want to do that. You have your volume master right there, LED light on, the vibration function. So basically this means that when you turn on your mic, it'll give you a vibration so to let you know that it's on, or if you turn it off, it gives you a vibration, lets you know it's off. Again, audio to video sync, low cuts. You also have the ability to enable 32-bit floats from the action camera. You just enable, and again, it just simply just allows you to get better audio if you need to speak up a little bit louder. That way you don't have to worry about getting a lot of that crackling. You probably will never notice it from a lot of, depending on who you watch on YouTube, there's a lot of cool things that you can do with 32-bit float recording. It just gives you the best quality audio that you can get without having to spend a lot of money on some studio mic, unless you want to spend that kind of money on it. You can format the transmitter, so if you have some issues with the mic or you need to remove something on there, or again, if you just have any issues with it, you can reformat it and then start all over. And then that's your transmitter version. So basically this is going to be any type of over-the-air or any type of update. You'll be able to get that independently with the mic. So that's all that I got for you guys again today. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Again, if this is your first time to my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button and hitting the bell notification. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. And again, my name is Blake Appeal, the Tech Guy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your week.